Through this video we are introducing about how to check mark option in Microsoft Excel. To insert a check mark symbol in Excel, simply press Shift P for capital P and use Windows 2 font. You can also create a checklist that use check boxes. Select cell B1 and press Shift plus P to insert capital P. On the Home tab in the font group, select the font style Windows 2 font. Windows 2 font. To insert a fancy check mark, change the font color to green. Change the font size to 12 and apply bolding format. Alignment center. On the Home tab in the alignment group, use the align button to center the check mark horizontally and vertically. Present a check mark in Excel. To insert a fancy red X, Shift O for capital O, then change the font color, alignment, bold, then select font Windows 2. Use Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V to copy paste a check mark or red X. Now you can create a nice to-do list that use check marks. Copy. Okay. Instead of executing the step 1 and 2, you can also use the insert tab to insert a check mark symbol. Here you can find the other symbols as well. On the insert tab, in the symbols group, click symbols, then select the Windows, select Windows 2. There you can see. Select check mark and click insert. Now you can also insert a check mark symbol with a box around it. After inserting one check mark, you can use the recently used symbols to quickly insert another check mark. Okay. Through this video, we are introducing about checkmark options in Microsoft Excel. For that option, type capital P and then select font style Windings 2. By this option, you can create a nice to-do list that use check marks. Okay. If you are at first time in my YouTube channel, please subscribe the channel and comment your valuable opinions below this video. Thank you very much.